Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn 3 easy ways to insert a PDF into PowerPoint. First, go to the Insert tab. Click Object. Select Create from File. Then browse and choose your PDF. Click OK, and PowerPoint will place it right on your slide. You can double-click the PDF to open it. Second, just open your folder. Copy the PDF file by pressing Ctrl+C. Then go back to PowerPoint and paste it directly onto your slide. Third, if you only need part of the PDF, click the Insert tab, click Screenshot, click Screen Clipping, then drag over the area you want. And that's it. I hope this helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.